This week in Lesson 1 of my AET course, I learned about IDEA. IDEA is the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. This act is a federal law that secures special education services for children with disabilities from the time they are born until they graduate from high school. This law impacts my current teaching experiences because it provides students with the right to appropriate education despite any disabilities. As a future mild to moderate special education teacher and as a current aide in an RSP class, I work with students and provide education to students who may not have received education in the past. One part of IDEA that I am now learning is a part of the law is the right to assistive technology. The law changed recently from saying whether or not students require assistive technology to the word needing assistive technology. And that currently impacts my teaching experience because it opens a door for more students who need assistive technology and will benefit from it versus previously only students who required assistive technology. One thing that I will do differently from what I learned this week was the video on teachers' reaction to defiant students. And one thing I want to do is I want to encourage students despite their defiance. And I want to see them in a different way. I want to be their encourager. I want to let them know that they're smart and they're wonderful and that they deserve education. And I just want to meet those needs on many levels. Throughout this course, I hope to learn more about assistive technology, my prior experiences with low tech, but I look forward to learning higher levels of assistive technology.